All right, another market coming in as Laddie Williams takes the place of Anite to tell us how the crypto market is doing.
Not looking bad.
Unfortunately, the crypto market is not affected by a CPI, and I'll continue to preach that message.
Yeah, maybe once our volumes, get, high, as compared to other countries, then we'll start to impact, those markets. All right, let's look at the fear greed index there. 50 points neutral, that's what we have today. We did drop to fear last week due to what we saw with SVB and all the banking industry issues in the US. So we're back up there at neutral. Let's look at the market cap this morning, 1.10 trillion, 1.79%, after dropping below the $1 trillion mark when all of that happened. We see volume also up this morning, 10.51%, and Bitcoin dominance in at 43.65%. Let's bring in Rume Ofi now, financial market analyst. Hello, Rume, good morning.
Good morning, Laddie. Good morning.
Good morning, Rume. So this market has been through a lot, from the SVB collapse, fallout. We've also had issues around interest rate hikes, but now we're back here again. Even stablecoin issues with BUSD, USDC, but now the market is back up after dropping below the $20,000 level. That's for Bitcoin. Market cap dropping below 1 trillion. How is this happening, Rume? The recovery is so fast.
Yes, in cases like this, you find that a lot of persons are excited. But I want to say it in clear terms today that the crowd is always wrong at this point in time. You see what the bank actually is going through as a result of the fact that they take money from people and invest in long term, and as a result of the fact that the Fed has high interest rates is actually affecting their investment, which means they don't have cash to pay back. It has actually affected these companies. You see these banks, I beg your pardon, you see the SVB bank have been affected. Silvergate, in fact, banks like the First Republic Bank, these are banks that have been in existence for a very long time, managing an asset of about 272 billion in asset, and they have been making profit for about 25 years or so, so it only shows that the increase in the interest rate hike is actually going to snowball into other banks going down very soon. But because of the fact that the relief came up from the US government to help save SVB, it's not enough to say that other banks are not going to be affected in a very short period of time. So those risky asset, those involved in risky asset like Bitcoin and some other asset should be very careful, because this is going to be short-lived. I'm not a prophet of doom here, but let's see if the market can hold very strongly 200 week moving average. If you can hold 200 moving average for very significantly, then we can say, okay, there's strength there. We can use that as a base point to move. But what is going on now? It went there and it came back. This money is 24,000, which means that it cannot sustain that.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll keep watching. Thank you so much, Rume Ofi, financial market analyst. We'll see if this is going to be short-lived, or we can see a sustained recovery in the market. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Laddie. Thank you.
All right, so there you have it. Rume, not trying to be a prophet of doom, but he's saying this might not be sustainable going forward.
I guess it's just being realistic, are still there. At least caution, from his own perspective.
On his part.
Calling for caution. Thank you so much, Laddie. We'll see you at 1:30.
Yeah.
All right.